Okay, I'm attempting nose contour today. Have you ever tried nose contour and it turned into a huge disaster? That happened to me every single time I attempted nose contour. So I'm showing you in my palette here, the specific shade that I picked has more of a gray tone, and these are a little warmer. Now, this goes with your particular skin tone, so the color match is going to determine what is going to work best for you. Now I'm showing you my nose and what is going on here of what I need to straighten. I have a deviated septum, so I have this weird like bump right there. So I'm going to show you how it turned out. I just realized I didn't have anything on my lips, so I just threw something on there that was Madrid. Okay, so here's the trick, and I learned this when I started Seint. You just literally take some on your fingers, put it on the top of the bridge of your nose, not on the sides because that would widen your nose, and you just put these two little lines straight down with your fingers touching so they remain straight. And then literally just tap with the detail brush because it has that flat, broad side of the brush, and look at that. Like, I was literally blown away. And then a little bit of brightening because I have to be careful here because I don't want to emphasize that strange bump that I have on the side because of the deviated septum. And I feel like it did straighten it out a little bit. I mean, obviously, I feel like I need a little more practice, but that's okay. This is my very first time attempting this. And you can see there, I'm kind of like, what? So I am impressed at my first attempt. Now, like I said before, this all goes with your skin tone. So text me at my text service number up above. You'll also find this information in the description. We'll get you color matched and get you the right shades, and I will show you exactly what to do to get the makeup look you want.